How do you feel when you have to cope up with things in life which you are not okay with? Last 1 year, 1.5 year rather, has been very difficult for most of us in whichever way. Some of us suffered ourselves, some of us lost our near dear ones, some of us really could not cope up with the fear and anxiety and the kind of pressure we felt that suddenly the world is changing and I don't know how to cope up with that, right? Have you gone through that? Because today I'm going to share with you what I went through in last 1 year. Yes, I lost a very close person in my life, my mom. And I was very quite shocked because it was all going quite fine. Though we all know that such things can happen in life, but when they happen, it takes a whole turmoil of emotions and things that how do you cope up. So my dear friends, I thought, why don't I share with you what I did to cope up with such a big loss in my life, and with that also highlight that it is not only about death, but when we lose people in our life, whether relationships break or we lose them permanently, it affects our mental health. And that is the time we should not take it light, because there is no thermometer to check the mental temperature. Right? You heard it right, yeah? That there is no thermometer to check whether you have 101, 102, 103 temperature the way you have for your body. So mental health is a very important aspect of life, and my request to all of you is that when such things or certain turmoil and certain shock happen in your life, don't just put it under the carpet, and don't think that under the carpet, if we put all the dust, the room is looking clean. The room is looking clean, but the dirt has not gone anywhere, right? So very important to develop coping up skills. So what I did was that, number one, I did not move on, I moved forward. Yes, I love this term, move forward. Move forward means along with the beautiful memories I carry, I move forward, and I'm not trying to forget and just put everything back and not try to remember. No, it was her birthday yesterday and I did a beautiful puja. I invited people, I served lunch and I celebrated. And that is what I felt. It gave me a closure yesterday. That is what I mean by coping up skills, that not to suppress, but to enjoy the lovely moments you've had, or close certain things which you don't want to remember and celebrate your life, because it's only one life, what we know of, at least for now, that is our life too. So my dear friends, the affirmation which I believe and I keep repeating for myself and open my arms and say it every day, that I love and accept life, and I ask the universe to give me strength to fight back and accept the realities of life. Change is a permanent thing. What is there yesterday might not be there today, and what is there today might not be there tomorrow. Whether it is health, whether it is relationships, whether it is what I want, my materialistic things, whatever it is. So can I just accept life and also ask God, divine power, universe, whatever you believe in, that give me strength to fight it back, deal with life and cope up in life, because life moves on and we have to learn to move along with, move forward in life. My name is Parul Malik and I am a life skill coach, also a certified international trainer for Heal Your Life, which is very much inspired by Louise Hay work, and all over 72 countries. Her work is all about accepting life and not trying to fight out things, but accepting them and standing for yourself, understanding where are these values and these limited beliefs or these fears or anxieties coming from, and can I work on it so that my present is absolutely taken care of. So please, my YouTube channel, as you are my viewers, you know it is Parul M. Like, subscribe and share with people, because every time I come back with a small little tip on something on life skill. So today's affirmation is all about coping up and all about acceptance and being strong to deal with things in life and not putting all the the negativity under the carpet and thinking it's gone. In Hindi sometimes we call it a kabutar pravati कि कुछ भी हो रहा है हमें देखना नहीं है, कुछ गलत हो रहा है मुझे नहीं पता, अगर मैं देखूंगी नहीं तो वो हो नहीं रहा. But genuinely things are happening and we have to learn to broadly understand it, accept it and move forward in life. Thank you so much for watching and I'll be back very soon, and thank you for being my inspiration. Love you all.